What up guys, so Apple has just dropped their new iPhone SE 2020 edition and it is fire. Also, they have done a great job with the redesign of their website. So as the leaks and rumors suggested, the iPhone shares the exact body and design and chassis of the iPhone 8, but with the top-end A13 Bionic chipset from Apple. It is having Wi-Fi 6 this time around, and also they have managed to add portrait mode to both the cameras, the front and rear, but having only one camera on both ends makes it a great deal with portrait functionality with 12 megapixels on the rear camera. I don't know about the front, but no problem. It is also having the newer dual SIM capability, which means you can have one hardware SIM and one eSIM inserted in your device. Also, the camera supports a potentially new version of Smart HDR and 4K video. Also, Apple has enabled quick take on the iPhone, which means you can double tap the or triple tap the camera button to enable video. And also we have Touch ID back. It has wireless charging at up to 50% battery charge in 30 minutes using an 18-watt fast charger. That is great. You can also watch 13 hours of video in a single charge, so happy binge watching this quarantine. It is water resistant with IP67, and last but not least, it is available in 3 amazing colors, and those are black, white, and of course red. So this was a quick coverage on the latest and greatest iPhone available and all this great tech starting at just $399 US. If you're new here, then make sure you like and get subscribed and click that bell icon so that you know when a new video is out. Also, if you're streaming this on podcast, then subscribe and stay tuned, stay safe, peace.